Have you ever wondered if it's too late to start investing in the stock market? The truth is, most people wait until they have a significant amount of money before taking the leap. But here's the thing. The earlier you start, the easier it gets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to buy your first stock, and you'll be on your way to building wealth for the future. Let's start with the basics. What is the stock market, and why should you care? The stock market is essentially a place where people buy and sell tiny pieces of companies. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of that company, and if it does well, the value of your stock goes up. It's like owning a tiny piece of a pizza. If the pizza shop does well, your slice becomes more valuable. Imagine you have $100 to invest. You could put in a savings account, but the return on investment, ROI, is usually around 1 to 2% per year. That means if you invest $100, you'll only get back around $1 to $2 in interest. On the other hand, if you invest in the stock market,